What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video, and today we are talking about valve cover breathers. If you followed along with my Hellcat, then you would know that this part is a familiar piece. I had this in my engine bay before I switched to the Whipple, and that was when I wasn't able to run this anymore based out of the location of everything, and everything pretty much got changed. These are pretty cool. I'm going to show you a little bit about why I like this specific design. As far as the specifics go as to what this actually does, I guess what it does is it just gets rid of any like excess crankcase pressure from what I heard. I just think it looks pretty cool, and I'm told that there's benefits to it. So if you really want any scientific reasoning, it's visual to me, and I'm told it helps. So that's why I'm putting it on. Let's just deal with it. That's the way it is. So let me show you something in here. So the design of this is pretty cool. Basically what it does is it just replaces your existing oil cap. But what you can do is, when you look at this, this is a two-piece design. There is a filter here that you could get many different colors. They have carbon fiber, they've got actual like black, I think they got orange, white, red, something like that. There's a lot of different design options for this. I went with the regular flat black specifically because I just like the way it looks, and I would have gotten the carbon fiber, but I think for me it needs to match weave wise, and it wouldn't, and I just wouldn't be able to handle that. But this is definitely high quality material. It's very well made. Then you have this. This is a very high quality, sturdy piece. You hear this noise? Okay, that's this right here. There's a little ball in here, right? So what this little ball does is, while it's sitting stationary, it's stopped. It's not going to release any air, oil, or any of that stuff. If you're worried about that, I've had this on the Hellcat before, and I had zero issues. So I guess while it sits here, the ball covers the actual opening, and then if something were to actually come up, like it needs to escape a little bit of air, it can push through the ball, and as soon as the air is gone, the ball comes right back down. Definitely a cool design. I really like it. So the way I install this is super simple. We're going to go over to the Trackhawk, and we're going to just show you real quick. Very easy. There's not much else demonstration with regards to this. It's basically just showing you what it looks like. There are benefits to this. I know there are benefits to this. I will do a horrible job explaining it, but the benefit of looks and knowing that there are benefits without me actually knowing what the benefits are, that's okay with me. I'm fine with that. So let's see what it does. So as you can see, this is my very, very, very stock engine bay. It will not be stock for long. I have parts coming. I have parts here that haven't been installed yet, and I have plans. As you know, I don't like any of this stock bullshit life, so I'm gonna have to try to figure out a way to make this work. So it'll come with time. Intake and, you know, visual stuff, it's happening. So just bear with me, give me a chance. It's gonna be awesome. What we're gonna be working on right now today is here. This is our oil cap. So basically we're just going to give this a turn. I'm going to take this bad boy off. We're going to put that to the side. And the reason I took the filter off, I know you can install it the other way, but it's just easier for me this way, is I take this, I take the bottom piece, you're basically just going to put it in, wait till, like, you're going to twist it. You'll know you saw it drop down. Like, if you're not where it needs to be, just spin it. Don't put any pressure. You'll get to the point where it'll drop down, and then get a good grip on it. Just get a good grip on it, give it a good turn. Should be nice. Then you're gonna take this. The reason I put this on last, I don't know if you noticed this, there's like a little silver pleat. I always take that silver pleat and I put it toward the back. Okay, and that's it. Again, it's a little tight here, but it's not touching. It does clear. It looks good. again, more of a visual thing for me. I'm not ashamed to say that, because obviously what we do to our cars is definitely very much visually motivated than it is other things, but there are reasons for that. It's widely run, so I don't feel like it's any risk. Yeah, so that's it, guys. That's what that looks like. Real big video, right? And yes, we are back on the GoPro. I had brought my G7X back upstairs. I didn't think I was going to film, and then for whatever reason I felt like I just wanted to get this on, because obviously this is a very, very simple thing. This isn't even an install. This is just like a put on. So that's that. And you haven't seen much of the engine bay just yet, which is kind of foreshadowing to a future video, which would probably be very close to this, either one off or right after this. Depends on my motivation to film. So basically we're at the point now where what you're going to do with this is just save this. I would not get rid of this. It is what it is. It's not a piece you want to get rid of just in case something happens and you don't want that anymore. You want to sell that. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing. If you are an OCD OG, thank you very much. I love you guys. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Hopefully it'll be more in-depth and cooler. I just felt like I had to get this out of the way. When I got the vehicle, I did promise I was going to film everything, for better or worse, little, small, big, whatever the hell the mod was, I was going to film it, and I'm going to do that. So bear with me. The mods are coming. The plans are formulating. Things are happening. I'll see you guys on the next one.